All right, Pirates, have a seat and change.
Yeah! Go, Lou!
Game is over. Thank you for playing.
Go, Lou! Yay!
All right, Pirates.
Go, Lou!
Alright, Pirates, have a seat and check!
Look, hey!
Down to 4.
Go, Lou! Good job, Lou!
Good job!
Have a seat and chair! And we are chair. All right, mates, let's give it up for our runner-up. He played a great game. Come on over here, young man. Hey, Jackson. Mates, let's give it up for Jackson. Yeah, buddy. You got a couple of skull and crossbones temporary tattoos. Very good. Congratulations. Grand prize winner, Hunter. How are you feeling? Yeah, well, come over here. Bye. All right.